Hello, thanks for checking out my video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and we talk about all kinds of jackets and stuff here on this channel. I have a ton of videos on Arc'teryx stuff. I'm building up a bunch of videos on Patagonia and Rab and Helly Hansen, and some other stuff is coming soon in the future. So, please check out my videos, check out the channel. I'd really appreciate the support. If you subscribe, if you're into this stuff, that would really be awesome. So today's video, we're doing a video on a Patagonia fleece. This is called the Better Sweater. And it's really a great name because it's exactly what it is. It's a better sweater. It's a really, really nice, casual, versatile piece that can also be worn for more high output activities in really cold conditions. This fit on this is really nice. It's kind of loose, okay? It's not a real tight, trim fitting fleece. There is some room in this for movement, okay? So if you are doing some high output activities and you're going to be moving around, this really allows for that really, really well. It's really soft, all right? It's a really nice soft piece, especially on the inside. It's extremely comfortable. But the thing with these fleeces, they are breathable, okay? So they will allow some hot air out and they will allow some cold air in. So tonight I was outside with this jacket. It's about 34 degrees Fahrenheit here, where the real feel temperature was about 27 degrees. And I went out with this with just a t-shirt on underneath. And you can feel some cool air through this, all right? There's no question about it. As with any fleece, okay, you will. On my arms, because I'm just wearing a t-shirt underneath, I can feel the cool air on my arms, especially if I, kind of wave my arms around a bit. You can feel the air, going through this. So it's a great piece to wear, but not by itself if it's really cold and windy, okay? But if it's, cool out and you just need something light and casual, if you're going out shopping, you're going someplace, this is really nice and comfortable to wear for something casual like that. Even just around the house on a cold day, if you want a little extra something to keep you warm, this is great, all right? Where this will really shine, though, is as a layer underneath, like a down insulated jacket, or just a heavier insulated jacket on top of this. That insulation layer on top of this will really help this to hold in that heat, and it really makes a big difference. So I went out again tonight with just this on, and I was cool. I went inside, I grabbed the Patagonia down sweater, which is just a down jacket, and I put that on over this, and it was really nice and cozy warm out there. All right, no problems at all. So it's, it's really versatile, and there's different ways that you can wear this, all right? So, again, the material here, I have pictures up back here behind me. You can see what the material here on the outside is like. It is definitely, a nice, soft material. The inside is very comfortable next to the skin, and it helps. This fleece also helps to wick away some moisture as well too, okay? And being breathable, it's really great for more high output activities. It has a little pocket up here on the chest, all right? The pocket's a pretty decent size. You can probably put a decent sized cell phone in here, I mean, it's a decent sized pocket here. And on the inside, on this side here, we have a dump pocket, okay? Nothing on this side. There's no pocket here on this side, just a dump pocket here. And there are two pockets, on the outside of the jacket as well. So really nice piece. Again, it's not a real tight, trim-fitting fleece. It is fairly loose, and I don't want to say baggy, but there is some room in it. It's comfortable. It's just a casual kind of wearing fleece, right? So really nice, all right? You can see the back. Nice length. It does have a nice long length to it. I noticed that it was just a little slightly longer in the length here than the Patagonia down sweater hoodie, you know, the down jacket. It was a little bit longer than the jacket was, but only about, you know, ½ inch or so. But all right, it has kind of a stretchy band, not really stretchy, but a nice band around the outside here. But actually what it does on the end of the cuff is that it helps to keep the shape of the sleeve. Okay, so it doesn't get stretched out of you know, shape, and then kind of, you know, stretches and gets all baggy. This kind of holds it together so that it fits nice. All right, and zippers all the way up. Right, very nice, comfortable, great all-around fleece. All right, very similar if you're interested in Arc'teryx stuff. Arc'teryx has a covert cardigan fleece. That's the covert fleece series. Is very similar to this in weight and feel, and yeah, very similar. Okay. All right, so that's it. If it helped you out, you know, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out some more of my videos, and continue to watch us as, you know, we keep growing here. And also you can check out my website, www.meandmyjackets.com, for more information. All right, thank you very much. Hope to see you back soon. Take care. Bye.